Hey guys, Will here, and hold on a minute. I think this is probably going to be a bit important. I did that yesterday. I didn't actually move just now. Thought it'd be funny to put that in. This is the Blue Yeti, and over the last 8 years it's sort of become a staple on YouTube thanks to its excellent quality, multiple modes, and how it can be used by pretty much anyone. Last week, however, I reviewed a microphone that comes in at just under 30 bucks, and I was really impressed with it, so today we're going to have a little fun and compare the two. Now on paper, this looks really unfair to the Fi-Fi microphone. The Yeti has 4 different modes, more dynamic range meaning you can pull more out of the audio in post, a built-in pop filter, and is built to a much higher quality. But when you look at the price, you can literally get 4 Fi-Fi microphones for the price of just one Yeti. And the sound quality, as proven in my full review, is excellent. So is the Yeti worth 4 times the price of the Fi-Fi? Let's find out. First of all, in my review of the Fi-Fi mic, I said that despite the construction being all metal, it does feel a little flimsy, and the Blue Yeti really reinforces this. Also, unlike the Fi-Fi, the Yeti comes with a removable cable, which is pretty essential to me. But with the money you save from the Yeti, you can literally buy 3 more Fi-Fi microphones, so it shouldn't really be a problem. In terms of ease of use, I really have to commend Fi-Fi on this one. Because it's exclusively cardioid, it's pretty much true plug and play, which also means that you don't have to spend ages learning and researching which mode is best for you, then choosing cardioid anyway. That said, the Yeti does have 3 more very interesting modes, my favourite of the lot being the stereo mode, as I can get a nice wide clean spread. Okay, all of this is fine, but let's be honest, what really matters is the actual sound quality. I've set up a test speaking into each microphone from about 15 centimeters away, both with and without a pop filter. I've also labeled each one A and B, and I want you to comment which one your favorite is in the comments section. No checking allowed, and I'm going to reveal them both at the end. Okay, so this is microphone A from a good distance without a pop filter, and this is microphone A from a good distance with a pop filter. Now this is microphone B from a distance without a pop filter, and this is microphone B from a distance with a pop filter. Next up we have the second test, which is a close-up test, so it's more of a traditional studio setup test, and again we're going to be doing both with and without a pop filter. This is microphone A up close without a pop filter, and this is microphone A up close with a pop filter. Okay, so this is microphone B up close without a pop filter, and this is microphone B up close with a pop filter. So there we go guys, not bad at all. In case the last pop test didn't give it away, microphone A was the Blue Yeti and microphone B was the Fi-Fi. For 4 times less money, the Fi-Fi really is impressive, and I can still highly recommend it to any YouTuber looking to start out. I'm also super impressed with the Blue Yeti, and I'd highly recommend it to anyone looking to upgrade their quality to the next level. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 3K by the end of the year, so every little helps. I'm done for now, and I'll see you guys on Thursday.
Rolled up in that big truck with them guns up for them fuck boys. Smoked out in that Rolls Royce, blowing dope with that bad broad. Shorty know what I got cash, I'm throw it all if she want that. Every time you see me out of low trees, out my blunt fat, cause I'm rich. Dumping the clip on a bitch, they heard her smoking.